This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, my mic is working. The screen is working. It's a good day. I finally got it going. So what are we on? We're on day 14, if I'm not mistaken, of the government shutdown. How long does it go? Wanted to come in mucho early today, 7:15. I was going to try for 7:30. Somehow I got bogged down with having to do a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know how that turned out like that, but it did. What can you do? I did my best. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to try and come in early. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday? Yep. Docs, chat. Let's get the chat up. And take a quick look at the markets. So there's been a little boost of volatility over the last little while. What's the volume at? 428,000, yeah. Pre-market we were at, I think pre-market we were at 200,000, 250,000 normally. Or not normally. How can you say normally? In the last month and a half. That's around where we were sitting. But now we're at 428,000. So the volume's up. The volatility's up. We're at ATR is 8 on the 1 minute chart. That's higher than normal for this time for 9 o'clock. Again, we were seeing numbers like, I don't know, 3, 4 maybe at this hour. So I'm going to be trading a little bit smaller, a little bit more carefully. And we'll see what that brings us today. Gold's still the big story of the day, eh? I mean, there's a lot of big stories, but 42.35 pretty much in the European session. What it's London session. ES tracking higher. 5 minute chart. Where do I get to the 5 minute chart? 5 minute chart. Just taking a quick look at the 5 minute charts. ES trading higher. Everyone's long from the overnight. Same thing in NQ. Any bit of a divergence. Yes, is a little bit weaker right now on that little on this swing high right there. MYM. Oh, MYM is showing some weakness. That's the Dow. Do I have a Dow chart up? Yeah, I'm gonna be tracking the Dow with this chart over here. And how much are we opening up? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, no VWAP. Let's fix this. 30-minute chart is way off, and I know why. Because chart trader's supposed to be on. There we go. And let me just realign this. So what do we got? I'm putting back up my Ninja Trader charts. I didn't retire my Bulenox on Project X. They're just on another computer, on the laptop. Top left. Do we catch the whole thing? Yes, we do. Okay, so we can clearly see. Trading above. Why are these on all charts? Properties. I don't want them on all charts. Cancel. Cancel. They should be on the... $240 minute. This is all the setup that I do before we log in, but in this case I'm doing it now. So we're coming right back up to this resistance area. That's based on this swing high that we formed right over here and we sold off from. Bounced into it once, sold off, made a higher low, and we're coming right back into it. It's like 25,050, I think. Interesting. Good morning, JC. Bella. Capital. No capital. I don't know if there's a capital. Okay, I got to put up one more thing on my chart. Why are we blue over there? You know what? I got it over here. It's fine. We'll watch it like that. Where is VWAP? VWAP's all the way down at 24,900. It's possible that I have it over here. 20, no, it's not. I don't have it. Do I need it on the 30-minute? I don't think so. We don't need to bog down. How many days am I loading on the 30-minute data series? 3, 4 days to load. 2. Good enough. Okay, we're good to go. I'm early. I tried to be in earlier, but let's see what we can do for today. Again, trading smaller. Volatility is a little bit on the high side. Don't want to get myself into trouble. So we watch, we sit on our hands. Ding. Dow is falling. ES failed to make a new high, ran into R1 and Q. And Q also failed to make a new high. And Q is under previous day's high. That's going to be, wow, that's interesting. MES SPY is over previous day's high. Well, that's I think for me that's an obvious target right there. Once the market's open, we got 18 minutes. Take out the oh, look at that. I love it. Perfect. Take out the pre-market highs. Make a run for yesterday's high of day. And although that seems like the obvious trade, it doesn't mean it's going to be the trade or the direction. I'm often wrong on the morning direction. And again, we do have a little bit of a divergence between these two peaks over here. ES showing some weakness. Oh, let me put it up over here, sorry. ES showing some weakness between these two peaks. And Q stronger, and MYM is leading the pack to the downside, the Dow. What else we got over here? We got the 400 volume. And okay. Keep it on the 1 minute. Wait for a trade. Omnius should be joining us later. He was having a little bit of a problem with his charts last night. I hope he got that fixed. Not fun when you got to work on your computer. I know the feeling. It's very aggravating. Yeah, I'm thinking. I don't want to get myself into trouble with it, but I'm thinking we're going to make a run for the high in the pre-market. 44. I think there's going to be a 44-point run. And after that, we'll see what happens. Good morning, Omnius. I was just talking about you. Did you get your problems fixed with the Ninja Trader? Got a little bit of a chop going here on the 400 volume. If I put that up, you see we're trading a little sideways here for the last 5 minutes. Hmm. Let's do our early morning. Deal me in. Dealer 76. Futures floor 2. Oh, we have to do the best out of 5. I'm sorry. $48. I have a 50% chance of winning. 63. 1-all. $39. I have a good chance to win. 86. 2-1 me. And 22. I can beat them 3-1. I do. 3-1. Way to go. It's going to be a good day. ATR 5.58. M&Q, we may have had an inside bar over there that I missed. I said I think we're going to make a run for the previous day's high at 44. I got a trade at 18. We're at 15. I'll take 4 lot. No! I get my one ad at, should have been at 11. My average price is at 12, so that's not bad. I hope this one holds. Come on, don't start me off with a loser. I won. Deal me in 3-1.
Good morning.
Good morning. They're going to start me off with a $100 loser. Not happy. I'm going to fight
Long
this
or
one.
short?
Long at 12.50. I'm going to fight this one a little bit. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Mr. Cotter.
Mr. Cotter. I don't even know who that is.
Serious? Welcome back, Cotter. Oh, that was a show from the old days.
That before my time? How old days we talking?
Could be. I don't know. I mean, You seem to know some of the old shows there. The Gilligan's Island time.
I was
Happy
there, but
Days.
I wasn't
Yeah.
like there.
Yeah, you were young.
JC, good morning.
JC. John Travolta was in that show. Actually. Okay, 203, 209. If we get a bullish candle, I'll again add a little bit to this trade. But I'm very close to my stop
side, so I have to go ahead and apologize for all the coughing and sneezing and all that other stuff. Eyes are burning, can't breathe, can't trade, charts won't work.
Still
won't work.
I was kind of hoping that you'd have it fixed.
Well, it wasn't lack of effort, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Did you contact Bulenox?
Sent them a message last night. They haven't responded.
Well, it's still early. So do you have anything that you can trade, or you're just keeping me company?
Pretty much probably just going to be hanging out today.
Yeah, okay.
Can't even trade a sim account.
Oh, shit.
Even the sim account won't work. I gotta be careful on my trading view. I got on yesterday and I was logged into my live account. What the hell's going on here? That's not cool.
Hey, I click sell ask twice. Really? You're gonna delay me again?
What's our analysis? Chaos?
You see the trade? You see my orange order? Close operation failed. Operation timed out. What the fuck is going on here?
See that?
Get me out of my trade here, geniuses.
Hope you're recording these trades.
Well, it's on my live stream. There we go. And somehow now I'm short 8. Go and figure. Yeah, lose me another $100.
What's going on with these Ninja Trader and stuff?
I don't know how I was short another 8.
Clicking the button.
I clicked sell ask. So I should be flat. And then I clicked close. So it doesn't add to the trade, but really what it did is it shorted another 8. So it put in the limit order to get me out of the 8, but it didn't know, kind of like just like Rhythmic, it didn't know. So when I clicked close, it did another 8. And of course, down at the low. Okay. I worked my way back from this last night. Now I got to work my way back again.
Hey, what do you have to close at?
752.
24,752.
Yeah.
$75 or 50?
So what do you mean?
What's the number after that?
After 752? 753. I don't get what you're talking about. You asked me what was the close at?
Yeah.
752. 24,752.
Then there's a point, right? And after the point, there's 2 numbers.
Oh my God. Nah. I look at a range of like 5 points up and down. I don't care, but I don't even know if that's accurate. But if you want it exactly, you got to be fucking kidding me. 752.75.
We got it. We're good.
That's what I got.
Didn't mean to distract you.
Oh, it's fine. I didn't know we were being that specific. Let's go sell off a little bit. Let me make back some of my loss, you motherfucker.
That's language, man.
Yeah, I'm on tilt already. They got me by the short hairs for stupidity. I hate that. I'm so tired of getting screwed on losing trades.
I watched this video this morning. This guy said you got to take it slow and slow down a little bit. And
yeah,
you should take his advice.
Who was that idiot? He's right. Whoever that was, he's right.
I think his name was Futures Floor or something like that.
Look at this. Fuck off. Okay.
Don't you hate it when people tell you to follow your own advice?
Yep.
Bama, good morning.
There's the 928. Yeah, you sucked me out. Now
Bama, a little sick this morning, so I have to apologize for the sneezing and coughing and stuff
the sneezing and wheezing.
Mike told me we don't get sick days. I asked him, I said, do we get sick days? He said, no. Get your ass to work. Despicable. Plus, my Ninja Trader won't work, so I don't know what to do about that either. Mike, you see my bank has ruined your whole week? Uh-oh.
What's ruined the week?
The bank.
The bank?
That's where you put your money.
How does the bank ruin the week?
You ever talk to them people sometimes?
Yeah. I have a harder time with the internet company and the cell phone company.
I've had my run-ins with the banks.
Markets are opening.
Sometimes I hang up on them because I won't stop cussing at them. They switched to Discover Card. I didn't notice.
Of course.
But it's amazing how many people don't take Discover. Oh, wow. And then I guess since they switched, now you got to get a new card. Old card don't work anymore. Mike, you ever have them cut your card off?
Only when it's been fraudulently copied or when I used it in a place where some guy has been copying cards.
So you're supposed to get permission before you leave town from the bank. A lot of people don't know that. If you don't get permission to cut your card off, then once they cut it off, they won't turn it back on. It's a crazy system. That happened to us a few times. First time we're like, look, no problem. Just turn the card back on. We can go pay for our groceries. Everything's fine. They're like, no, we can't do that. What do you mean? You got my money. I can't have it? Well, we'll send you a new card.
I can't have it.
What do you mean you send me a new card? I have a card. Just turn it back on. But no, we can't do that. Like, we're trying to pay for groceries.
You need to eat.
It's like, fine. Well, how long before I get the new card? Oh, it could be a week or two. A week or two? How am I supposed to buy groceries? You think I'll take an IOU?
Write a check.
I don't
Go
know
to
how
the
to write
bank,
a
make a
check.
withdrawal.
I've written like 2 checks in my life.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Good morning.
I had a checkbook for like a decade.
You never needed a new one. I write about 16 checks, I'd say, a year.
On what?
I don't know. Usually contractors work, people like that.
You know you can use a card, right?
No, not too many of them take a card. It's like, when the guy comes, the electrician comes, or the guy comes to fix the dishwasher or the washing machine, they don't have the ability to take cards. A lot of contractors don't accept cards. Yeah. Oh, we got a trade here. Sure.
Told you. We went to the movie
62.
theater a few weeks ago. They wouldn't even accept cash.
That's funny.
Trying to get a drink and popcorn, and you have to use a card.
Well,
Look, we just want a drink and popcorn. What's the problem? Like, oh, we don't no cash.
This
is crazy.
What do you want, Sparky?
I think if I put my bot on a sim account,
What do we got?
it might at least
at 84.
show the trade. Do this one. This one.
Let's get back up to 84. Sparky says go long. Yeah.
Activate.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, it had a short. Don't even show up there. Why do we have to go through this as traders?
I don't know. Yep. I'm on tilt with Chip.
Me too.
I gotta stop after this.
I can't stop because I can't go.
You missed the beginning when I got screwed out of the software didn't work. Ninja Trader didn't work. You're good. Well, I gotta get over the bands.
Bama, your best bet might just be to switch your money out of your bank account to a new one. I'd call a new bank. So look, I don't like my bank. What are you gonna do?
Wow, it just won't go above my entry, huh? Just bite down on some leather. We'll get through this.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
I'm trying to see a move above my entry price.
Already opened a new account, waiting on card. Yeah.
Go, you motherfucker.
It's to the point now you almost have to have at least 2 different banks.
There we go.
I got 2 banks, and I just keep the other one as a backup.
No, that's a 400 volume chart.
Man, the
Okay.
last time I called my bank and talked to him, I cussed at him until the lady hung up on me.
Let's go down to a normal size. Then just do normal stuff.
Everybody
Put
says
the
you shouldn't.
aggravation behind me.
Everyone says you shouldn't talk to your bank like that, but I feel like it heals the soul a little bit. Wife's like, "You feel better?" I'm like, "Yes, actually, I do." I'm telling you, it just does something. It heals the soul.
Just because they're on the phone doesn't mean they aren't human.
You know what we was arguing about, Mike?
Nope.
We was arguing about my name.
Yeah, they were telling you had a different name.
They're telling me I wasn't pronouncing it right or some shit like that. I'm like, lady, it's my name. I'll say it or pronounce it. I'll spell it however the fuck I want. You leave me alone.
Okay, a two lot here. A shitty two lot.
Exactly, Bama. Exactly. If they're ruining my day, I want to ruin their day. I don't care about their policies. What about my policy? What makes their policy any better than mine? All I did was give them a courtesy call. I was leaving my own town. Like, I have to call the bank, get permission to
Dealer
leave town.
62. Oh, that's Nightbutt. We're trading lower. We're going to be breaking the pre-market lows. There we go. Off and we wick it and go back up.
I can't do anything. This don't work. This don't work. Can I even do a paper trade? I'm terrible at
Take
paper.
me out. There we go.
Mike, I'm terrible at paper trading.
Oh, yeah? Why?
I don't take my stops. I'm like, fuck it, I'll just hold it. I was trading in the car yesterday on TradingView. It was horrible. I don't know how Woodchip does it. Woodchip, I don't know how you trade on the phone, man.
It's easy.
Bam, I find you a bank that has a money market fund that pays you like 4% interest on your money. Instead of you paying them, let them pay you.
Okay, let's see. What are we at? 34. Can we get down to the 27s?
I logged in
Or
yesterday.
did I sell near the low again?
Logged into my live account.
Push lower. Push lower.
Got paper trade, see what shows up.
Nope.
Showed up, I guess. Waiting on Bulenox to message me back if they ever decide to.
Don't like the short. I got kind of short, quasi short. Maybe I should be focusing on the shorts.
Yep, no messages so far. What you trading over there, Mike?
Say that again.
What are you trading?
I am trading NQ.
1 minute chart?
400 volume chart right now. I did say I need to be patient, but I'm not being patient, actually. I'm not waiting for my signals. I'm trying to catch every little move. And yeah, you know what? It's amazing how often we just poke through the pre-market. Do you guys see the 1 minute chart? Yeah, that's the pre-market range is that blue box. Yeah, and I'm just saying it's crazy how many times we poke through it and then we reverse. I've been noticing that quite often now that I'm tracking the 6 to 9:30 range. I'm long ES. What's ES and NQ doing? Oh wow, ES is quite a bit stronger, right, than NQ.
Yep.
And YM, look at the Dow. Dow's taking off. Woo! Sparky got lost. Yeah. What's the spread? 15.25. It's pretty erratic for in the range. 25 points. That's why ATR is 25. Psh. What do you want? You want cookies? 9:44. What do we got today?
Chaos.
Where's my news? It's on the other thing, I guess. I think we have some. What day is it today? Today's Wednesday,
Eh?
Hey?
I don't see anything. I see some earnings calls, some Fed speak in the afternoon.
Let me just change to, this was the chart I was using.
Nothing of importance.
Wednesday.
Don't look
No,
like
just a bunch of
week.
speeches. Yeah, just a bunch of speeches. 12:10, 12:30, 1 and 2 o'clock. Hmm. Big swings in both directions, eh? 40 points up, 40 points down, 50 points up, 50 points down.
I was watching some videos yesterday, and apparently a lot of people's having a hard time.
752, 980. We opened up about 200, 250 points higher. Yeah, I've heard that also. I think it's a little tougher with this volatility.
Maybe I missed a good couple days, huh? Picked a good day to miss. Night at 12, I losing my mind.
Oh, yeah, is that song playing? What are you talking about? It's not playing. Is it? Lo-fi? No, the lo-fi is off every night at 12. How do you hear it? You can't hear it.
Is that a song?
Yeah, that's the lyrics from a song. But I'm not playing any music now. The only thing I got is you and...
He said, I always hear it. It's playing in his head, man.
It's in his mind, yeah. Oh, there was a dump.
What was that?
I don't know. I didn't do it.
It was like a 40-point drop. It's like, bam. How are y'all trading this? Bam, are you trading this? It just goes down and jumps back. It's like 30 points is nothing right now. Y'all either making good money or losing good money. Bama said no. What Chip? How you getting a 10-point stop loss in this market? You already in? Guess so.
Maybe he means 10 points in the ES.
Oh yes, okay. Yeah. I should have picked up on that, seeing the numbers. It's all right. I've been gone a few days. Paper if it comes down. That's all I can do is paper. I haven't traded paper on TradingView in a while, but it sucks. Like everyone always tells people, paper trade on TradingView. Man, it sucks. Your order fills are horrible.
Really?
What? It didn't used to be like that.
I'm surprised. Take the overnight lows. Let's go look at where the overnight lows are. Still a little bit of waste, cold. Just saying.
Yeah, it's weird that a paper account would give you bad fills. Everyone always says, oh, paper, you get the best fills. No wonder you're doing good. Not me.
Oh. 8-6.
Mike, I seen this video the other day, and this guy was talking about he's been trading for 20 years. This is the worst market crash he's ever seen.
Really? This wasn't even a market crash.
Aren't we still at the high?
Well, really we are now. I mean, we did go down a little bit, but sounds like my neighbor when he came to me and said, why? Good morning, Skeletor. Why are the markets going down all the time? So what the market's going down? Look at the index. Yeah, but my stocks are going down. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
You still see all-time high in my chart. What are they talking about? Worst market crash ever. What are all these people going to do when we actually get back into some real volatility? Skeletor, I'm late today. Skeletor, you haven't missed anything but a bunch of bad price action. I can't even trade because my Ninja Trader won't work.
Yay.
But hey, I showed up. Oh, and I'm sick. So I might be coughing and sneezing.
Sparky, I gave you cookies already.
I mean, I wouldn't want to take the drawdown, but we could try it on a paper account, right?
View up. Whoa.
I pressed the button. It wouldn't even give me the trade.
Gonna fall on my sword here.
Do I press the button again? Now you give me the trade? Freaking a minute later? Like it took me almost a minute to get filled.
Well, that's like what happened before with me in the beginning with Ninja Trader. I think it was more than a minute, actually.
Can't get out of the trade. This is ridiculous. Guys, I can't even paper trade.
Hmm. There's no paper trading on Ninja with the Bulenox on the sim. Just to
it'll I don't know. It's just weird.
Man, it's almost 10. See if they answered you.
I wasn't even looking at that chart down there. Should have took it off, I guess. Can't be accurate.
That's not funny. I'm laughing, but that's not funny. We all go through periods of belief and disbelief. Yeah, that's what I said. I asked Joker a couple times how he's doing. And, even before an answer, I said, you know what? We're all working on our game. We're all always working on our game.
Seems like lately I'm always working on trying to get a platform to work. Lately that platform has been Ninja Trader.
Check your Discord. Yeah, after I'm trading now. You know what happens if I check my Discord? All the winning trades will appear.
Nope, no message from Bulenox.
Let's take a little trade here.
They like Bulenox, but let's be honest, their support team isn't all that great.
No, I disagree with Chip. I don't think that's gambler mindset. I think that's not wanting to lose my focus right now because we're in the opening. This is my time of day. If I give it up, I'm left with the lunchtime trading.
Fear of missing out.
Nope. That's chasing. Different again. Well, come on, show me.
What they say, there's always another trade.
There is.
5 seconds to check your Discord.
There is. It'll take 5 seconds to check my Discord. Okay, let's see.
What Chip? I think he's looking for a trade right here.
Do you know how? You got 5 messages. What 5 seconds? You think I can go through 5 messages in 5 seconds? Okay. Slade to be Sam on my new funded. Hey, way to go. I'll join you a bit if you want this morning. Otherwise, I'll be there in chat. 8:40. Oh, that was at 8:45. Wow, I didn't see that. Yeah, give me a little bit. We'll do that. We'll open up the room. Give me a little bit though.
Price jumping again.
Oh, funny guy. Funny guy. Wow, big move on the fucking Dow.
Good.
Be
good.
Too late.
You getting in trouble?
Yeah, I gotta go back to You didn't see the last message right now. Oh, he's sending me back there again. Okay. The last message. This is the last one. I'll join you a bit. Well, there's two charts. You want me to start analyzing charts now? A 3-lot up 88.50, a 1-lot up 76. I don't even know how this platform works. I don't know if those are take profits, sell stop. I don't know where price is. There's like a whole bunch of lines. I can't figure out these trading view charts. Okay, you're long one on the chart on the left, and that's your sell stops with the sell limit at big target. Wow, if that goes, that would be crazy. I hope you catch that one on the left.
I don't think it's fair. Y'all get the trade and I don't. Just saying, just putting in my complaint.
I don't even know which account I'm on. Hold on, let me look. Okay.
Might take this local high right here. Pushing up. Was that the 25.024?
Let me see. Well, I had a theory we're going to run the high of 25.026, yeah, and then 25.044.
Bama, I'm so confused. Bama, what we confused about? Y'all are pushing up and my chart's melting. Mikey on the right chart?
I am. Depends on what instrument you think I should be on.
Bama,
I'm
what
on
instrument you on?
NQ. I'm on NQ, and I think I'm trading NQ. So, yeah.
Well, yes, it's pushing up also. So everything I see is pushing up. Bama, you on the right instrument?
I'm on MNQ. Is that the right instrument? You tell me.
The tiny violin, mad tears.
What I am going to go do is take the instrument of choice is a tiny violin. Give me a tune again every night 12. I should play it, eh? Give me a second, guys. And when I come back, you want to go into the public room, Omnius?
Okay, if you want to.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so go there. I'll be there in a sec. Let me disconnect.
Yeah, Bama, my chart's going straight up.
no. Oh, there we go. Now I'm getting some lines. And I got to change this. You know what? I'm going to open up another one. Never works. Wow. Nice move up in NQ. It's a good thing I'm doing this. Otherwise, I would chase beta 2. Which one do we have there? Let's go to beta 2. Yep.
Yeah,
I hear you.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
I don't see Rowan.
That's working.
Maybe he's busy.
Wow, big move up.
I think NQ long is the play here. It's a little late. To the
Yeah,
party.
I did. I thought that also right off the beginning. And bias. Got caught with a bias.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Rename. Let's call this one public. Really?
What you renaming?
I know sound is on. I just don't know if... No, the video's
Jose,
not
good
on.
morning. Everybody coming through? I hear noises. I don't hear people talking.
Okay, cameras now. Next.
Are we supposed to talk?
Cam Discord. Let me see. Hey, there we go. That was easy enough. Looks good,
Check this
right?
out. You know the 20 pip challenge. I started with $20. I'm at 126. 6 straight wins. Very stressful, this challenge. Not to lose. I don't know the challenge, but if you got 6 straight wins, that's awesome.
Nice. Jose Trades, FX.
There's Ruin. Ruin,
Hi,
good
guys.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
morning.
Is that Skeletor?
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
What's going on?
Good,
What,
good.
Joe?
We're shooting the moon today.
How's the trading
Yeah.
going for everybody?
Green.
Fantastic.
Broke over previous day's high. Wow, what a rocket move off VWAP.
Yeah, I just sat in front of the charts. First time now. I was away a bit on vacation.
Well, I just got back myself.
Nice. Hi, Mike.
Hey, how are you, Ron?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
I get
A little
back from
stupid in the
vacation. My
trading
ninja
today, but
trader
I'm
don't
good.
work.
Hmm.
I can't even take no trades. Don't even have the option to refresh it.
I wonder why do you have so many problems with Ninja Trader this past time? Because I mean, with you and with Mike, it reset for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe maybe they're making too many changes.
Yeah, I think a lot of them are making changes, and sometimes you get corrupt data.
Okay.
Or they're abandoning the prop firms because they have their own project and they're not
That
working on the
project
back end
launched?
for their connection with the prop firms. That
Oh,
is a
gotcha.
possibility.
Definitely. Is the prop firm launched yet? Do you know that one and of Trader?
No, there's Tradeovate prop, but it's that's just what they said, or the way they explained it is just a platform for all the prop firms. It's like a specialized kind of like Platform X or Project X. It's a specialized platform for the prop firms, and they're calling it Tradeovate Prop or something like that.
Oh, Okay, so
Jose.
they don't start a prop firm. It's just a different platform for the prop firms.
For the prop firms, yeah.
Jose, you guys see how many
Okay.
trades you can go without losing? Is that the competition?
Well, I
How
know
much?
someone that's on 275 consecutive winners already.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen it?
As long as you don't count the losers.
Uh,
Who
Yeah.
is that? You're talking about Lambo.
yeah.
Yeah, but he doesn't use stop losses.
Yeah, you don't need.
I agree.
I don't know.
I suppose I've been watching his stream for non-stop for quite a over a month now. Since you guys said join his stream, I've been watching it in
Yeah.
the evening. Yeah.
And what's his
Yeah.
TP on those no stop loss trades? Is it?
It's very close, Mike.
Oh
He
yeah.
won't even.
That's why I'm saying have a look. You'll see what I'm saying.
He won't
If
even
you've
talk to
got
us
a
anymore.
if you've got
Yeah.
a lot to risk for a little bit of profit, not
Yeah,
to
he won't
diss
even.
anyone, that's his that's his style of trading, but in my opinion, no risk management, because you can go down 500 to make 100,
Yeah.
for instance.
He won't even talk to us anymore. We tried to talk to him, and he just. I think he blocked
I
both of
never
us.
bring up. He always greets, and I greet, and he's a very nice guy. It's just he's got a very different style. I've been sitting and wondering, just like, what if this thing doesn't come through, and you're in this downtrend?
Well,
And
I
he
was
doesn't
thinking
add.
that he might
doesn't-
have gotten caught on Friday. I'm surprised he didn't get caught on Friday.
I was
I don't know
away.
if-
I didn't see Friday's trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but it can become a bit scary sometimes, but he's got he trusts in that it's gonna go that way.
Mm-hmm.
And the one thing he doesn't do is constantly add. Doesn't matter if it's gone down how much. He doesn't do that. He waits it out.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
did
know.
that also a
It's just
couple of
different.
times.
But Mike,
What
you scalp. You add in, and then the price literally turns. You don't trade on the higher time frames. When you add 95% of the times, as I saw when you're trading, it turns just around.
Yeah. Well, I keep my stop. I try to keep my. I mean, if I'm doing it right, I try to keep my stop pretty tight. But today I'm not doing it too good. Today I'm a little bit on tilt. What can you do? 88. I'm in at 85.75.
I'd be on
88.
tilt too if I could trade.
We're targeting 95. There's 90. 90. 2. 92. 93. 93.
Where's your
I took it.
TP? Because I'm watching your stream as well.
Was
there
that?
TP or is that-
You don't even
TP's in
see
the
it. It's on the.
TV's in the bathroom.
Sorry, I thought it was on the right account. You didn't. I just took a trade. Yeah, you guys didn't see it. Okay, it should appear now. From now, the TP on that trade was 95, but I got out a little earlier. The one that I just took.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's better I trade the Bulenox accounts on my main screen, and the reason being is because the Bulenox I can copy, and I don't trust the Apex copier, so I have to trade them all individually. So I'm feeling rushed instead of being able to trade smaller. I'm feeling like I have to trade larger, and anyways, that's the mental game. I failed
You
it
don't mind
today.
me asking, I haven't been here for a couple of days. You found a trade copier and you mentioned the other day you want to look if you can change everything from Bulenox to Project X.
Yeah, I'm in
Did
Project
you
X
go
now.
ahead with it? Oh, is it?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Oh, okay.
I actually had that as my main screen yesterday, the Project X screen. I hope I didn't delete the scene.
And are
No,
you
thank
happy
God I
with
didn't.
Project X?
Very happy with Project X. Yeah, no, I really like it.
Well, I got a response from Bulenox, and it basically said it's not our issue.
Wow.
Well, that was great.
Yeah.
So I guess they're not going to be any help.
What exactly is your problem? You can't get the chart reset. The chart reset history.
What the hell's your problem, Omnius? That's what it sounded like.
What exactly is your problem,
What
buddy?
exactly is your
No, I
problem?
didn't mean it that way. But I just.
Poke the finger in the, what is your problem, buddy?
No. Yeah, I just heard earlier you said you can't even reset the history, the chart history or anything with Ninja Trader.
All right, let me show you.
Because maybe I can help.
I need somebody to help. So I'm logged in. Whenever I first turn Ninja Trader on, it kind of logs in, but it won't really do anything. Like even if I take a paper trade, it'll kind of show it. I paper trade real quick. Wait, gotta do this one. One lot, short. So it kind of shows it, but it's not on the account board. Like it shows the orders. So it's there. Well, now it's not even showing it on that chart, is it? So it won't even go from one chart to the other. So the chart on screen should have it on there. Now it don't. It's not even going from one to the other, I guess. It won't show it there. If I log out, if I disable my connection and disconnect and reconnect, it won't even go green. So let's
And
try
you're
that.
talking about the main chart on your screen now, because
All of them. Everything.
Oh.
So there I disconnect. Let's reconnect, see what it does. Yeah, so once again, now it's yellow. So you can see, well, you can't see because I'm on the chart, but so my chart today starts at 8:47. That's all the data I have. I have no data anything past 8:47 today. That's when I turned on Ninja Trader. If I turn it off and turn it back on, then all that data will be gone. It'll start it right now.
And even if you go to data series, if you say, let's say, like 10 days back, also same situation. Or if you go to data series.
Same thing, yeah.
option.
So right now, this
Thank
chart's 10 days back. If I switch to this other one, it's almost 100 days back.
Yeah, I
Also,
just
if
see it. Maybe I'm on the wrong. No, I'm on the right stream.
I don't think I have it up there. Let me switch over.
Or is it in Discord or whatever? If I can
No, I got
maybe I can help.
pull over here. That's all the chart I have. This is like a 100-day chart. You can see right there. It starts at it's on the stream.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Starts at 8:45. That's it. There's no data behind that.
Huh.
Then if I click on the chart and I go to reload historical data, I don't even have that option. It's grayed out.
What about a Ninja Trader update? Don't you think you need to do an update? And are you on the right contract?
Yeah, yes. Don't you think you need to do an update?
I think that's the next thing I'm gonna try is the update. I really don't like updates.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do a reinstall.
Yeah.
Mike's saying to do a whole reinstall, but I don't want to take the chance of losing my indicators and strategies and stuff that I have.
There's got to be a way to back them up. Like I said, just check with GPT.
Yeah, just double check with that, and then your documents folder in your computer with under your name. Just go under Ninja Trader and back that one up. Then you shouldn't lose anything.
Looks like Bulenox is telling me to Ninja Script Utilization Monitor. Never even heard of that.
Yeah, me neither.
Control panel, new Ninja Script output window. Let's see that.
2 minutes. I'll be back right now.
Ninja Script output. Right click within the output window, select Ninja Script Utilization Monitor. Allow it to run for 10 minutes.
Never even heard of that.
All right, time check 10:23, so we need 10:33.
I am back.
Sparky, you're breaking my balls, Sparky. Seriously.
Sparky wants a cookie.
Every 5 minutes.
How do you break your balls?
Chocolate salty balls.
It's very painful, let me tell you.
I've done it. I've done it on a handrail skating.
It said any indicator that takes over 1,000 milliseconds might be causing an issue.
Wow.
The ironic thing is the one that's taken 4,500 milliseconds right now is the indicator that tells me my lag. Lag time indicator. That's kind of ironic, I think.
You can, but you go long right here, you can create bad habits. It might work, but
I've had that indicator for many years. I don't know why it'd be causing an issue now. Now, GPT says it's something to do with the data. The data's not connecting properly.
maybe it's your
I'll be back just a second.
Comcast.
I'm getting hanging orders today. That's not really cool.
I don't even hear Woodchip talking. He's talking about going to the live channel. I ain't even heard him talk.
Yeah, he's quiet. He's talking, but his mic is a little quiet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
See? There he is, talking again. Watch, he turns green, but you can barely hear it. It's like his cell phone's cutting in and out.
let me see here.
Okay.
See, he just said something again, and we just heard one word. I heard, and that was it.
That's weird. I hear him clear, and
You hear him?
yeah,
No kidding.
Woodchip? I don't even see his thing turning green.
yeah. He was stating that it's a little crazy to go long at this price. So
Even though
I don't even see his thing turning green. I think y'all are crazy.
There. Now I heard him. He said, even though it might work.
Yeah, it's not good. It creates bad habits.
Yeah, okay. There you go.
It might work though. It's going for the target for ES at least.
I got him muted. No wonder I can't hear him. I got him muted. Why I got him muted? Who else I got muted?
Because you're a hater.
I don't mute anybody.
You're hating.
I guess so. What the hell?
Don't be
I
hating.
don't mute anybody. I was like, how come I don't hear you? You wanted to go to the Discord, but I don't know. All right, got that fixed.
Could get a short here, actually.
It's rigged. The whole thing's rigged.
Everything's rigged.
I'm just using the daily fair value gap. That's all I'm using.
Okay, Sparks. More cookies for you. You're going to run out really fast. Why are you so hungry?
Sparky needs to take a shit. That's why.
Yeah. All right, don't know. He's got a new habit. He runs, he looks out the window, he comes back, he asks for cookies. He runs, he looks out the window, he comes back, he asks for cookies.
Hey, Mike, he's gonna leave a steamer right there next to you in the chat box. Hot and fresh steamer.
Yeah. Oh,
And
he
that'll
does.
be-
Not on the carpet, but he does.
When he drops that turd, that's the indication to go short.
Hmm.
Got animal instincts. He knows the market. Come on. We're going short right now pretty soon. Like,
I don't know. All I saw since Friday's dump is money coming back in the markets.
Yeah.
everyone blaming the market move on Trump. That was cool.
Yeah. So on the 1 minute, it's probably, well, I know we're very high up. Very nice bull flag on the 1 minute breakout. Would be nice for a better retest.
I'm the king of bull flags.
Oh my.
Hey, Omnius.
I remember that day. What do you? Well, what you been? Oh, okay.
She'll
You're
balance it
going
before
for
him.
it.
Take a short. I'm taking a short.
What do we got? I don't know. I don't know if I can call that a bull flag. Maybe a tiny little one on the 1 minute in the last 4 minutes. I would maybe call it that one. I
Yeah,
gotta
I'm
take this
talking
out.
about all the way from on your chart 0952 all the way up. Then you've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 candles there at the top.
Yeah.
Taking
Yeah,
a
that
short.
whole part. Okay.
Wood chip is going short. You got out of ES?
Yeah, I closed that for money.
Cool.
$1,400 on that
Wow.
ES trade. One mini. I switched to minis now. Just
Yeah.
one mini only. One only.
That's what I do.
That's what you do?
Yeah, I trade mini, one mini.
Nice. Yeah, I mean the stop is pretty reasonable. It's like $300 to 500 on a 50K. So you take 2 trades, 3 trades a day, and you're good. If you lose on 2 trades, you can't take the 3rd trade. Like you're done. You're cooked. And that's just for evals. It's not for fundeds. But yeah, I guess I'm in at what am I in at? 67.62 on ES short with a stop at 67.71.50. So basically 10 points. $500.
In ES, I thought you short the NAS.
No, because I mean, I guess you could.
Yeah.
No, because Nasdaq still could push up a little more, but ES has really accomplished everything it needed to do on the daily. So
Great.
but I could be wrong. Could give some back.
Of course, if but it's part of the game. Do you take a lot of exposure when you enter that short? Like, if I can ask your stop loss and that, how do you determine the size? Is it literally like resistance and risk to reward 1 to 2, or you trade it towards a fair value gap, or how do you do it?
What do I do?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Like if you say you
yeah.
like
So
the
I'm
analysis,
just using the daily chart and
yeah,
the fair value gap, and it filled in, and it might break through it higher. I am risking right now, right? But
of course, of course.
let me go back. Daily. It's from October 9th to the Monday 13th of this week.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm using that, but it definitely can go to the highs at for ES 67.79. But I don't think it's going to do it today because look at the expansion we already had, and
yeah, yeah. Daily
this is
range already
about
pretty
the
much.
time of day. This is the time of day when you get a retrace or a correction. All the people jumping in long right here are going to get screwed.
Yeah, FOMOing in.
I mean, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Doesn't mean I'm gonna be. I could be really wrong, you know, and lose
Of
500
course.
bucks. But
Okay, so that's what I was wondering. Do you have a TP or do you just trial the
TP's
no,
in the
I
bath.
always,
position
yeah, I always
Hey,
have a
going
stop.
down?
I have a stop and a TP always. Yeah,
TP's in the bathroom.
yeah,
That's
that's
PP.
true.
So your R&R, if is it 1-to-1 or what? Where's your
It's
TP?
usually 2 to 1. Yeah, like
Oh, okay, great. Yeah,
make
all
2 to
right.
get to risk 1. Yeah. So my
Yeah,
TP is 739, 6739. Right at the consolidation before the breakout. I'm thinking it's
yeah.
coming back right
I
there.
Yeah.
But it's got 2 fair value gaps on the 15-minute to get through to get there. But again, time of day, it definitely could do it. We didn't take out the overnight session at all. It's way below that. So you have two confluences there. And it's within the daily fair value gap, which the low is 67.11 on ES. And then usually when I'm in profit, I move my stop after it. If it can get through the first fair value gap, then I'll move my stop to the top of the fair value gap that it's about to violate.
Okay. Okay.
So, yeah, so right now it's up 200 bucks, but I'm not going to move my stop yet until it violates that top fair value gap on the 15-minute.
ES and Dow are trading lower. I would almost say that this might be a good opportunity to go short right here, close to the top for NQ. It's not showing it's able to go higher, and the other two markets are falling. I'm going to have fun with a one lot.
Yeah, that's good. I like that, Mike.
It's a counter trend trade. Not supposed to be doing these, but the other two are falling. Let's see what happens.
The more you do them, the more you.
Nah, I'm not interested in doing them, but I got to stop at 16. I'm in at 8 with the stop at 16. I'll even put in the stop. Buy stop 116. Let's see what we get.
Is that NQ?
Yeah. No, MNQ.
Yeah.
Micros.
We'll see if ES pulls. I don't like the way it's moving. I'm gonna put my stop in just a couple points, so I'll make 100 bucks at 67.60. If it wants to come get me, it's probably gonna get me. I don't like this. These are dojis back to back on the 15-minute.
I'm having a look. I see what you say, yeah. And the open candle at the moment, also it's just a little bit higher than the previous doji, or not doji, but the bottom. It's a
Yep.
little bit of a higher low on the 15-minute. But yeah, it's weeks.
Omnius, why don't you email Bulenox back and say, even though that it's, not something that it's your issue or not your fault, have you heard of people having a similar issue? Do you know what they did to solve it? Is there any help you can offer me? Any advice, anything that you guys know that I can try?
Well, they took all that time to send me a message that basically said it's not their problem. So, man, it just says
Yeah.
So I read the message. It says no issues with rhythmic profile, whatever that account name is, which is weird because why that account? What about all the other accounts? So they just kind of picked one. Have been found. The market data is also enabled. Please try to check the rendering delay on NinjaTrader. Go to control panel. So that's what I did. The thing there. The NinjaTrader utilization monitor is a feature in NinjaTrader designed to help traders develop access to performance and resource consumption of their Ninja scripts, including indicators, strategies, and custom add-ons. It's recommended to let the monitor run for approximately 10 minutes to generate accurate data. Anything over basically 1,000 milliseconds or more could be causing issues, which is weird because the drawing tool on NinjaTrader, the ruler, is taking 10,000 milliseconds. I got a bunch of them that are over 1,000, and a lot of them's like the built-in indicators. So I don't know. I don't think that's the issue. I think they're just kind of blowing me off. Trying to write NinjaTrader now. So I'm having trouble. No historical data. I'm using Bulenox prop firm. They said the message NinjaTrader support. I've cleared the data. I don't know. What else should I write?
I don't know. I don't have any suggestions.
Write them. I'll try to update the platform, see if that helps. I don't know. I've pretty much done everything I could find that they said do.
Okay, there it is. There's the first tap.
Yeah, I'm watching it as well.
Everything I was reading before was saying that I'm not getting data.
15 minute.
Sounds to me like a Bulenox issue.
Yeah, that's the problem with them the past for quite a while. I'll tell you the one that I have. Once I'm out of this trade, I'll just restart it and tell you, which they said for some reason, and it wasn't me, that all my indicators and stuff has also been copied to another my Google Cloud or whatever. I need to import it back. Otherwise, NinjaTrader can't focus properly for whatever reason. And I've never done that because every time I do an update with NinjaTrader, when they ask, there's something that doesn't work properly.
I know.
Exactly.
I don't know what, but something is not working anymore. So I stopped doing the update.
Exactly.
Because I don't know how to fix them.
Yep, I completely agree. That's why I stopped using Ninja. I just put everything through TradingView because it's like one platform, very easy, all your trades right there.
Yeah.
You don't have to switch.
Yeah.
Unless I'm
And
phone
what about
trading.
copy trading on TradingView? Do you have software that you can use on TradingView for copy trading, even if it's like just the one broker, or can you copy all the brokers on TradingView that allows TradingView?
I think TradingView allows copy trading, and I've never copy traded, so I don't know the answer.
Okay. Because TradingView and Project X is pretty much the same thing, apart from TradingView offers 10 times more. Right? Or am I wrong? I mean, you've got the same indicators, the basic
Thinkorswim?
No. Project X and
Yeah,
TradingView. It's
haven't-
very much the same interface.
it's licensed. Project X is licensed by TradingView.
Okay. Yeah.
It is
Okay.
TradingView. It's essentially TradingView.
Exactly. All right. Great. So yeah, that's what I was thinking is maybe if there's a TradingView copier, not talking about the ones that you can download for Telegram or those. I'm talking about a legitimate TradingView copy
Oh, I
trading.
got stopped. Got stopped. That's all right. I got 4 points on ES. That's 200.
Nice. And that's a beautiful dip when I
That
look
was
at it
it.
now.
Hey,
that
hey,
was
hey.
15 minutes.
I mean, we saw it tap into the first fair value gap on the 15-minute, and that was possibly it. And now it's going to go higher, but it doesn't mean I'm going to go long. But just saying.
Yeah, beautiful. Where it went up to now, because even though there's a little bit of that fair value gap open, I think it filled it, to be honest.
Yeah, you
And
see that
over
first.
50%. So
You see that
still,
first one, the first fair value gap on the 15-minute break structure. That's a breakaway gap. That doesn't need to get tapped at all. It can just stay open, and we can just go way higher now.
yeah.
Hey, Ruin. Look at my stream. Look at the chart now. I turned NinjaTrader off, turned it back on.
Hang on.
That's all the data I got. What's on the screen there?
What are you on the 5-year chart?
Yeah.
That
2-minute
is
chart. It's a 100-day
insane.
chart. 96-day
man.
chart.
That thing is moving.
I get
too
one and a
quick,
half
that
candles.
candle.
That's it. Like,
That's
man, that thing's
hilarious.
really moving, isn't it? That's just one candle. Yeah, I don't know. I can't do anything.
What about your quant tower, just for interest sake? Your quant tower, that's perfect. Do you trade both on quant tower and NinjaTrader, your accounts?
Yes and no. The Quan Tower and
Okay.
the Trading View I have through AMP Futures, so I'm either trading a sim account or the live account.
Okay.
So that's not through prop firms. That's through actual futures company.
Yeah. You told me that MP or AP something. The one that's got a real account, not prop firm.
Yeah, AMP Futures.
AMP. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
But the Ninja Traders through prop firm.
And is that data feed through Rhythmic or what?
Yeah, Rhythmic.
Did you do the setup yourself?
For what?
For Quant Tower, because I remember I did the Quant Tower 1 week free, and I actually got someone from Quant Tower to set up my Rhythmic with Bulenox, and he changed stuff in a Rhythmic, and when I opened up NinjaTrader, it was just not working anymore. And luckily, because he was helping me over that AnyDesk, but he was doing everything. Luckily, I recorded, so I can send you the recorder for the changes that was made. But luckily, I recorded it because the next day I just went and changed all the settings back to what they were and carried on with NinjaTrader. You know, at the end of the day, it's so damn risky to get someone else to quickly sort something out because he was going so fast. But it was someone from Quant Tower, and I recorded the video. So I cancelled my free trial because they give you full Quant Tower for 1 week if you just want to test it.
Yeah. But
and
I mean, then you got to continue paying for that. I think the full license is like $80-something.
it's very expensive. Just yeah. But I mean, with your
Is that a month or is that just one time?
yeah, it's monthly.
Monthly,
Yeah.
eh?
Monthly. Yeah. No,
But
I
with
get
day
the
trade,
full version for free through AMP Futures.
but day traders as well. The other company you and Mike Futures Floor.
Yeah, supposedly you can get the full version
You,
through them.
yeah. The guy also said to me, yeah, you get the full version if you select Quant Tower.
Yeah, I think you
So
can
that
even
was
do
the
like a.
idea for
I
me.
think you can
But
do a $25 account and get a full version of Quant Tower.
exactly. That's why I
And you pay
tested it.
once, hey, crazy.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I
Doesn't cre-
tested it, and then I realized that day traders is also not allowed in South Africa. That's why I cancelled it.
Oh yeah, you were saying that. That's so weird though.
Plenty of prop firms is not over here. Plenty. You know, we've got such a corrupt country. So that's why, but Bulenox is. And I think TraderFi, it's a green thing. I think with TraderFi, you can also in South Africa. But that's about it. Top my funded futures.
Does
Yeah,
anybody know
top.
if I go on Rhythmic Trader Pro, how do I see if I'm getting data on there? Can't you pull up a chart on Rhythmic Trader Pro?
Yeah, you should be
Can.
able to.
The dashboard, futures.
That's a good test.
Rhythmic.
Yeah, I didn't even
sucks.
think about that until he just said something about Rhythmic. Trade copier. They got trade copier?
Yeah, Rhythmic's got everything.
They trade
But once
copy on
again,
Rhythmic.
try without. If you didn't select it with Bulenox, you won't be. Well, I've tried. Maybe I'm wrong, but you won't be able to see the charts and everything. You only get the data feed to Bulenox. So maybe with another prop, you'll be able to see everything on Rhythmic.
I don't
But if you
see.
tell Bulenox, I want to trade through Rhythmic, then they'll do that. Same as with Project X, but then you move all your accounts there.
I think this is a long right here.
I don't see a way to open a chart.
We're just stuck in chop basically since 10 o'clock, going sideways. Within 30 points?
I don't think you can see a chart on Rigmit. You can manage orders, but no, there's
No,
no
you can do
chart.
charts
You
unless it
can.
changed. I used to put charts up on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Clicked on charts, but I don't see a
Rhythmic
chart.
sucks. Rhythmic sucks for charts.
Yeah, Rhythm, it's a shitty
Yeah,
platform.
I just want to see if it's got data. This is too difficult.
I'll be back now. 1 moment.
It says symbol. I put in symbol. Now what? It ain't doing nothing.
I have no idea. You need to go to school. What?
Oh, it's dropping. We're dropping.
Attach window.
Cancel
Oh,
all orders.
Cancel all orders. Sell everything. Restore
Oh, no.
template.
I got scared. I bailed.
Show trade bar. So I can trade, but I can't get a chart. I didn't even know you could trade on Rhythmic.
Going back to the daily fair value gap. Yes or no?
I can't do this. It's too much work. Anybody know another way to see if Rhythmic's getting data?
Just get quotes. But you want to see if you're getting back data. Were quotes coming across on your screen?
Yeah, I was getting the top of the book data. That was it. It even says market data trade history, but there's nothing on there.
It's still long. Bob Seeger, you're still the one.
Be a rhythmic issue. I don't know if I'm getting data.
NQ's about to bounce.
ES is still slowly dipping.
We got 6 people in chat. Who's the other 2?
Talking about on Discord?
Bama and Skeletor. Ruan, Woodchip.
Bama is lighting up green like he's talking, but I don't hear him.
You didn't meet him, did you?
No, I don't ever do that to anyone. I'm not a censorist.
Me neither. Normally,
Is that a real word?
I'm not talking.
Oh, there he goes. He warbled. Sounded like a little underwater, but
it's out to say he's not talking.
But it worked. Yeah, that's almost like when someone calls you to tell you that they're going to call you. I've gotten those calls. Yeah. So just wanted to let you know I'm going to call you later.
They're just meowing in the background, lighting up his channel.
I don't like animals.
Oh, there he is. I don't like animals.
Which reminds me,
I just don't care for them.
Omnius, I really think you should get a cat, because one of the pleasures of having a cat is every 2 days or every day when you get down on your knees to clean the litter. I don't think you should miss out on that. Oh, you're back.
Do you do the tidy box or whatever where they pick it up for you?
No, I do it myself.
No, I mean, like you put it in a box and then they pick it up at your doorstep.
No, I just throw it in the garbage. What are you going to do with used?
I mean, it's a California thing, I guess.
Really? Never even heard of that.
The people we went to see had cats, and I don't think it was convincing me to get cats.
If I had a cat again, I would declaw it if it's an indoor cat.
Really? I don't think you're allowed anymore. Anywhere. My cat's declawed, but you're not allowed anymore. It's against the law over here, so a vet won't do it.
You're also not allowed to drive in the carpool lane when it's just you by yourself, but I do it.
Yeah, well.
If they stop you, tell them that your friend's there. It's just imaginary.
I don't know how to break the news to my cat and say, okay, give me your paws. I got an axe. When
I would ask the cop if imaginary friends are excluded.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, wasn't an unpleasant experience from my perspective. I mean, it was very clean the way it was done. There wasn't like, external bleeding or anything. He did it with a laser.
Handshake AES.
But they say it's traumatic for the cat. It's like cutting off half your finger. So I don't know. I'm not a cat, and a cat can't tell me.
Wait, it's almost a handshake on ES. not quite.
What
Did it do it?
what do you mean handshake?
The
When
wick to
you
wick to wick on the
on
15
the
minute.
okay. All right. I
So
see
it needs to wick. It needs to wick and agree on price at 67.50. It almost did it, but it's
Looks
even
like it's
stronger.
pulling
It's even
back.
stronger than that. So there's no handshake. Agreement on price. That's all it is.
Okay.
Because you got that giant bullish candle
Yeah.
that we're trying to retrace, but it's not doing it very well. Oh wait, is that the handshake? Did it do it? What's the low? The low is 67.50.25, and the high of the other wick is 67.50. So it missed it by 25 cents. Kind of splitting hairs with that, but you know, it's right there.
Yeah.
Right there to go long, and it's gonna go long for 67.95. But we are on the hour. You got to watch the clock. We got 2 minutes, minute and a half.
And then Mike, are you here?
I'm here. Yep.
Yeah. I marked it out before. I can't remember who said it, but you also said, okay, from now on you're gonna watch. Let me just see. It's 11 at your time. Must be 5 at my time. You said start looking for the pullback or the big move between quarter past 11,
No, the
30
wood
past.
chip. Yeah, no, that's the wood
That's
chip big move. That's at 11:30.
that's okay. That's the
Wood
one.
chip
All
told me
right.
to look for a move at around 11:30, so I
Correct.
created an alarm at 11:30 and I call it the wood chip big move.
Okay, great.
It's
But
not every.
there does often seem to be a move around that
It
time, I
sure
have to
does.
say.
Well,
I
it's the
marked.
London close. London close at that time. So that
Okay.
Yeah, I marked it, or I also, well, I'm old school. I wrote it down with all my little pieces of paper over here. So
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, I got a
also,
bunch of cue cards on my desk too.
yeah,
yeah, you know what other countries say about Americans? They're arrogant, and so the arrogant market always takes over at 11:30.
Hmm.
That's my opinion. When London closes, London hates us. We hate them. Well, I don't know if we hate them. I don't hate them, but
Mike is Canadian. He's he's not he's
Canadians
not
love
American.
everybody.
yeah, he's outside. He's outside the
Exactly.
loop. He's out. He's in the loophole.
No kidding, eh?
Okay, let's.
Oh, here it is. This should be it. This
Well,
should
bounce
be
upwards.
this.
You
This should be
think?
the long. This is the long right here.
Yeah.
This is long.
On
I'm
ES.
going long.
Right on time. Right on the hour.
Oof. It's
Why
the
does it do
fifth
it right
time
on
we
the
hit it.
hour? Why does it do it right on the hour? Oh, I got it wrong. It's "You're Still the Same" by Bob Seger. That's the song. That's the song I
Still the
was
same, isn't it? You're still the one.
No, it's not "You're Still the One." I think you might say it in the song, but I think it's
You're still the one is Hall and Oates. Hmm.
Yeah, they're great. I like the song "Sarah." Smile, Sarah. Won't you smile a while for
Hey.
me, Sarah?
Oh, say hi, Sparky. Say hi.
Hello, Sparky.
Sparky, give us 3 meows. 3
Go
meows.
down. Go down. Hmm.
You just have to squeeze your cat really hard and you'll get 3 meows out of him.
I get more than 3 meows out of him, though.
Maybe get a bite as well.
I get some smelly stuff.
I'm telling you, he's going to drop the steamer on you. I mean, the good thing
that's
about
one
cats,
thing.
you know, the good
go.
thing about cats versus dogs is the cats actually cover up their poop. The dogs just like lay it and leave it. And
Yeah, besides that, never an accident with the cat for 8 years. The dog, probably 5 times a year, if not more. The dog leaves you a gift somewhere on the stairs or something.
Don't cats just naturally spray around your house, though? Mark their territory?
No, we did
Dogs
the
don't do
operation.
that.
Yeah, no, we
I
did the
got
operation, so
motherfucker,
the cat
there's
doesn't
the
do
handshake. There's
Wait,
the
so
handshake.
you'll cut your cat's wiener off, but not their nails?
it.
Make it make sense.
Well, I don't know if it's the wiener. I think it's the testicles.
We're going lower.
You'll cut your cat's chocolate salty balls off, but not their fingernails?
Well, one has to do with overpopulation, so you're still allowed to do it. The other one has to do with cruelty to animals, I guess.
Absolutely despicable.
I think we're going to the next fair value.
Taking a
I think
short.
we're gonna dip into the next fair value gap. I think that's where we're heading. Wood chip? Is it wood chip or skeletal?
Yeah.
Are you targeting the next fair value gap on the 15?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching ES. NQ's shit. It's not moving.
Yeah,
at
now
all.
I'm talking about ES. I've got MES open on mine on the 15-minute as well to have a look what you do. I
Yeah,
saw
this
when you
should-
said
this
now
should
you got the
go-
handshake.
It should go back to like 730, 736 on ES, I think. Or at least 739.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But that's also, correct me if I'm wrong, a fair value gap, right? That's one below this one that we just,
Yes, correct.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
That's
So it's a good thing I
that's
wasn't
the sauce.
tracking the 15-minute retest, because
Damn Ninja Trader got an AI agent. I literally clicked submit, and a minute later, I got a response.
a good response.
Oh, no, I haven't read it yet. Sorry to hear you're experiencing issues with historical data on Ninja Trader 8. Since you're using a prop firm account with Bulenox,
It's not our problem.
there's a few steps you can. It was, hey, Bulenox took 11 hours and gave me some bullshit. Ninja Trader took 1 minute, and at least it was an AI response, but at least it's better than theirs. Make sure you're connected. I got to be connected. Reload historical data. I can't do that. Apparently, I didn't read my message too well. Clear historical data. I did that. That didn't work either. Well, shit. I done did all those steps too and nothing worked.
I think it should go down, and then when we get the 11:30 clock hour, it's going to go right back up. NQ is kind of pushing now. Maybe not. You got a good Nasdaq short, 40 points. You could take it with 1 micro. I think I will take it. Take a short on Nasdaq right now. All right, I got 86 entry, 122 stop, target's 949.
Now we're really trading sideways. Hey. No, don't come here.
Omnius, you like the 2-minute?
2 minute short, yeah. Gives you a quicker time frame without all the chaos of the 1 minute.
Yeah, the 1 minute is. I hardly ever look at the 1 minute anymore. I just use the 15-minute pretty much.
Yeah, I don't really look at the 1 minute anymore either.
In my opinion, the 15-minute tells you everything you need to know. If you were locked to only having one time frame, and I've heard it from other reputable traders, they all say the 15-minute. So I started trading it and started doing a lot better. So that's what I'm doing now. Anything lower and I overtrade.
Yeah, I find the lower the more you overtrade. But the 2 minute seems to work pretty good. I like the 2 minute, the 5 minute, 15. Then sometimes I'll look for my morning analysis. I'll look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But a lot of times you get a directional bias, and then you think, well, okay, well, it's going long or it's going short, and then it just does the opposite anyways.
Yeah, because the higher time frame is designed to be the higher time. It always wins, but it's on a longer time frame. And if you're trying to day trade and using a 5 minute or 3 minute or 2 minute, you're going to lose because it's going to emotionally wreck you. And then when the trade actually happens, you won't have the emotional capital to take it because you've already lost money.
Right, because you have an idea of what it's going to do, but the hourly time frame's so large that you're like, okay, well, this is going to go long. Well, sure, it's going to go long, but it's going to take everybody out first.
Yep. Halfway to target. Want 67.39 is my buy limit on my sell from 67.49. My stop's at 67.47. I'm probably gonna get stopped right here, but that's 2 points on ES, which is $100 on one mini. But it's not really supposed to turn around right now. Time isn't right. My stop, I moved too quickly, I think. Oh, it's gonna get me right here. Yep, it got me. All right.
Trying to take a bunch of screenshots of my setups. Y'all keep hearing a dinging sound.
Yeah, you need to, everybody needs to screenshot their, I mean, I do it all the time. You have to be honest with yourself. If you were wrong, then you were wrong. And why were you wrong? Study that. Instead of just passing on the golden trades that you made money on, like every trader only talks about their wins.
Believe it or not, a lot of people don't like it when you talk about your losses. I used to do that before, and everybody was like hating the video and stuff. Like,
well, yeah, for streaming purposes, you only want to post your victories so that you get more hits, and people are like, "Oh my god,
yeah,
this guy knows it. Like he's got the crystal ball."
yeah, it's stupid.
Definitely.
It's stupid that people think like that. It's like you should want like real like what's really happening in the world, but everybody wants everything sugar coated. They want the dream life. They want the Lamborghinis and the mansions.
Yeah, I think the social media has it created a complete misperception. I'm not talking about you guys, but I'm talking about all these guys showing their Lambos and everything. They created this massive misperception about trading. Everybody thinks it's literally go press a button and make money, and it's not.
Yeah, that's Miami for you. They're all out of Miami.
Funny thing is that most of those people saying all that stuff can't even trade. They're worse than all of us are. You know, it's like they put out a course.
Yeah,
I seen one guy just bought a Rolls Royce or something. And everyone's like, yeah, off of your course money.
No. Let's get it straight. They lease it or they rent it for the video shoot. They don't own the
Exactly.
car. There's no
They
way they
rent
do.
I don't know. Some of them people, what they're making off of those courses and affiliates, I mean, it's freaking crazy.
That is true. But yeah, I've seen how they expose YouTubers where they actually have at the airports, or not even at the airports, but there's a private jet. It's like cut up half, but it looks very fancy on the inside. So YouTubers can go and then they change the interior for this YouTuber. He sits there as if he's on his private jet. He does
Funny.
his shoot and then he leaves. Then he leaves. The next one comes in, they do theirs. It's a business.
But isn't it sad that that's what everybody looks for?
Yeah,
You
but
know,
that's
it's
what
like
all the dumb people trust, you know. They
everybody
believe
everybody hates on those people for doing that stuff, but then you don't do that stuff and nobody follows your videos, you don't get anywhere.
exactly.
So it's almost like the business has become where you have to do stuff like that, and it's stupid.
I'm waiting for you and Mike flying your choppers and
Talking and talking and talking.
The funny
hold
thing,
on.
Ruin. Funny thing,
just-
Ruin, is YouTube hates us. They won't promote our streams. They won't promote our videos. And it's almost like you have to put out videos like that, or YouTube won't push your videos.
So they're fighting against it because you can't get thousands of thousands of followers to push money for them.
In the past month, there's been like 10 million videos, about 6, 7, and it's like they'll promote that like crazy. Mike, you make a video, you say 6, 7, act like you're playing with some tits. Golden.
Now you have to say 6, 9.
Yeah, I was telling like a teenager the other day. They're like, "Yeah, I don't even know what 6, 7 is." I'm like, "Fuck y'all!" Back in my day, it was 69. Like, I don't want to brag, but our 69 was cooler than your 6, 7. Like, y'all got cheated. They're like, "What's 6, 9?" I'm like, "All right, never mind."
No,
Your channel will get burned if they will completely wipe you off YouTube if you explain that.
Yeah, Ruin, it's crazy. I got a nephew. He's like 10 years old. He posts Fortnite videos and he'll get like 10,000 views
Wow.
off a freaking 30-second Fortnite video.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're definitely short here.
YouTube picks and chooses what they push. When it comes to finance channels, they're only going to push certain channels, and the rest of them they pick their winners and losers.
Yeah.
And if you're not pushing all the hype, if you're not pushing the Lambo lifestyle, and you're not pushing the jets and the mansions,
You know,
then they won't
another
push
thing
your
for
channel.
you guys, for you and Mike to think of maybe, right, is to connect both of your channels to one Kick channel. I saw some of the other people are starting to do that. With Kick, there's a 0 delay. So you can have your YouTube channel and you you do your stream, let's say for 2 hours over here on YouTube, and then all your followers go over to Kick. Then you
I don't
carry
even know
on over there.
Hold on.
Right.
Let's back up. So I don't even know what Kick is.
They're the ones that
Kick
make
is
Zip Fizz.
also- Yeah, no, you know the guy that I talked about in the past, the Rips. So
Rips?
with his, yeah.
Oh yeah, Rips Market Clubhouse.
Market
Mhm.
Clubhouse. Yeah, so he started doing that a few months ago or so. Now, with the way he trades, right? If you decide to follow his trades, then you can't do it on YouTube, because by the time he's out of his trade, you enter
please
with
don't.
what you see. So
You
with
re-
kickheads,
you really shouldn't be taking anybody's trades.
I know, I
And
agree.
I don't worry about people
But-
taking my trade anyways. Most of my trades are under 30 seconds. You try to follow my
I-
trades, you're going to lose almost 100% guarantee.
I agree. But the people that's going to follow you is under the impression that that's what they can do, right?
That's
All the
another
new
thing.
people to
That's
to
another
trading,
thing that
they
hurts
think
the
they're gonna-
stream. Everybody likes the longer trades so they can copy.
Exactly.
Me and Mike gonna start putting on some ghost trades or something. Just let them run for hours so everybody can copy nothing.
Yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to mention it
Yeah.
with Kick.
So what
I
is
never
Kick?
knew Kick.
Kick's
I
like a
never knew
YouTube?
Kick. Yeah, it's the same. Well, I think it started off as a well, it's actually I think it's American. It started off as like a WhatsApp talking, chatting channel, and then they started doing the live streams like YouTube. It's free and zero delay. Maybe like a quarter of a second. So you'll see now it's going to be the new thing that streamers on YouTube, they get their followers on YouTube, and then they'll stream like you guys say for 2 hours, and after that they say we're going to Kick, right? So and that's how they build up. I don't know if Kick pays you or not, like YouTube. I'm not sure about that, but there's zero delay.
I know
I don't
about
know.
Twitch,
They say
but I don't know
TikTok
about
pays
Twitch.
pretty well. I
Yeah, but
posted a bunch
TikTok
of
is starting to block
videos on
live.
trading months ago on TikTok and like 0 views. It's like,
Yeah, the thing is, TikTok is starting to block all trading videos. They completely. There's so many people from TikTok moving to YouTube because TikTok is completely because of all the scamming. TikTok is
Yeah.
starting to stop all the trading, all of that
And
live. So
that's
you
what they
can
keep
post
saying.
videos.
TikTok and YouTube, they're like false and misleading content. And it's like, what are you talking about false and misleading? You see the chart just like I see the chart. You're looking at my chart.
Yeah.
Haven't made any
Yeah.
claims.
Yeah.
All I've ever said is don't follow our
This is
trades.
the 15-minute. This is the second 15-minute fair value go.
I see it just bounced on it.
I don't think it's
Or-
gonna bounce. I think we're going down for the overnight lows.
Is your price at the moment 6742?
Yes.
So we're in the middle of the fair value gap, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure we see the same. Okay.
All right. I have a case number on my Ninja Trader. See what they say.
Need 2 minutes again. Be right back.
Can't believe that Bulenox was 0 help. They're like, nope, not our problem. We don't care.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know if they could do anything, but you think somebody would have reached out and been like, hey, don't worry about it. We're going to try to help you figure something out.
Do y'all have Top Step accounts?
Top Step? No, I don't have a Top Step.
Nope.
You got Top Step?
No.
Nope. Never.
Never Top Step?
Their
I've tried
rules
Top
are
Step.
their rules are stupid. They got bad rules.
I feel like years ago they had like a lot of crazy rules. I feel like people used them, but then Apex came out and everybody switched to Apex.
Yeah,
Then
I don't
Apex-
like Apex either, but I'm still with them.
Well, Apex was good until they went crazy.
I mean, they had lots of platform issues.
I
Resetting
think my
accounts for
funded
people.
futures is the best.
My funded futures.
Yeah, I mean, I've never been able to even pass the challenge on Top Step, but I regularly pass it on my funded futures, and I don't trade any different. So
I'll
there's
tell you
something
what,
about Top Step I don't trust them.
a lot of people talk about my funded futures, say how much they like them. I mean,
And the payouts,
Yeah.
I'm talking about 20 minutes from the time you request it, it's in your bank account.
that's awesome
Yeah.
right there.
I've heard that.
I don't know. I think the daytraders.com, I think they're going to be a good firm. Supposedly, they're started by the same guy that started Apex. That guy
That's
that
the one
left
with the
Apex.
one-time fee.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy one yesterday, but I didn't like the only having $1,000 drawdown.
Was that the 25K?
No, that was on
Oh,
maybe it was 1250. But
you're looking
it
for
was
static drawdown, ain't you?
yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Let me.
That's pretty good for static draw. And I think Apex only gives you 600.
Yeah, see, that's why I don't like the static drawdown. Your target goes up and your drawdown goes way down. It's less than half. Yeah, 1,000 drawdown and you have to make 3750. Yeah, I don't like static drawdown. I understand people don't like the way trailing drawdown works, but I feel like they just give you so much more to make up for that. But then in your case, Bama, with going for longer trades, then you have to worry about it coming back against you and
Yeah.
losing so much money on a winning trade. I don't know. Yeah, they might not be the best option if you're looking for static. Even the 25K, 750
I'm probably going to
drawdown.
do a static again. I'm going to do a static again fairly soon. Because all you got to do is get above that buffer and then you're good. There's no trailing intraday.
Yeah,
There's no
that's the way
trailing
to
at
look
all.
at it.
It's just static. Like that's the whole point.
That makes sense too. So basically, if you do the
It's
50K,
almost like trading
you start with
real
50K.
money.
So as long as you don't go down to 49, you're still good, right? It don't follow you at all.
Nope.
So I mean, that kind of is worth it then. So you go up $500. Now you have 1,500.
But on Apex, it's 100K. Apex is 100K account with 600 static drawdown.
That's the only static you can get.
So it entices you to want to go big to get to the target.
You're saying that's the only static
Yeah,
account
I
you can
believe
get.
so. Yeah. Unless they changed it. But I haven't. I did. Yeah, I did 2 of them. One of them I got really
I would definitely say check out day traders
close to
then,
passing, and then
because you can get a
messed it
25K
up.
static, and it's
But-
only a one-time fee for $30. That's a 750 drawdown. So then, yeah, if you make $500, well, then you have 1,250 drawdown. And their
Yeah.
activation fee across every account's only $130. So you pass, you don't have that huge activation fee like you do on some of the Bulenox and the Apex. Bulenox is only really good if like a 50K account.
I've never done Bulenox.
And the only time I've ever
Bulenox, or
messaged
however you
support
say
at
it.
day traders, they message me back immediately. I don't know how good their support is, but that one time they wrote me back immediately.
Hmm.
It's more expensive, but I had an account with Perdia one time.
I never
They didn't give me any problems. They didn't give me any problems fanning me out.
Maybe I have heard of Perdia. They do Forex, right?
Mine was futures. They may do Forex.
Oh, this is 8. There you go. 11:30.
Hmm.
Mike.
Yeah,
Futures
I'm
forward.
watching. But it's okay. You can go with the mic. I'm not. I'm good with the name. I prefer it actually over futures floor. It's too long, futures floor. But what I was gonna say, yeah, I was talking to the guy Kevin or no Trader 2025 last night or whatever his name is, and he was saying that he was worried about payouts. I said, you know what? I don't think you need to be worried about payouts if they're in the small amounts. You know, I think the people that make $80,000 in a week, those are the people that probably have a harder time with the firms. That's when if the firm is going to put human resources onto figuring out how to not to pay people, those are the people they're going to go after.
Well, there is a profit split with most firms, right?
Yeah.
They take 10% or whatever until. So it's not like they're losing money.
No, losing money they're not. And honestly, I don't know how they battle against people that are scamming the system. You know, it's just, I would almost say, too easy to do. Especially with all the firms, you just go long in one and short in the other.
For sure, an 11:30 move is the easiest move. Look at this.
Is that what you're talking about?
It's going for
11:30 move here.
Yeah, London lows maybe. What's it going for? It's going for 67.11 on ES and 24,940 on Nasdaq. But it's too late to enter.
This is the move I wanted earlier.
Yeah, I've got a gap there from.
I mean, arguably, it's not too late to enter because it's going to go more. Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. Can I enter on my paper account?
Yes, it's still quite a bit.
It didn't even laugh.
Yeah, I mean, no, it's too late. It definitely now is too late.
Well, too bad. You told me to enter. I'm up 100 paper dollars.
Yeah, you can definitely.
You can spend them in the futures floor store.
Yeah, deal yourself in.
The thing about paper trading is you have to really in your mind in real life. You have to get to that mind state.
What? You're breaking up. I can't hear you. What?
Otherwise, it's worthless to do. You're just going to be stroking your ego if you do a paper account like willy-nilly. Like it doesn't matter at that point.
I agree with that.
The best of all is whenever you trade a paper account, you make a hell of a lot of money. But as soon as you go to that real account,
I still made 200 again. Still made 200 paper dollars.
Yeah.
Well, here's my options: trade my paper account, don't trade, or trade my real account. And I'm not trading my real account on this market, so it's either
Too late.
paper.
Yeah, it's too late.
Just copy your paper trading account to your real account. Maybe you'll jinx the system.
No, I actually tend to lose more on my paper accounts than the funded accounts.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because with the paper account, I always had the mindset I could just hold it a little bit longer, maybe add to it, and it'll come back. It's a terrible way of trading.
No, you don't. That's bad habits.
That's what I'm saying.
You're
That's why I
creating
don't do
bad
it.
habits that'll translate into your.
I agree.
No, I mean just trade a paper account like it is your real. You have to get into the mindset that is your real account and trade it accordingly. You
Yeah,
have to
exactly.
do that, and it will help immensely. That's what I've been doing. That's why I paper trade for almost a year. You got to figure it out. Either you want to figure it out or you don't. And if you don't want to figure it out and you want to do some dumb shit, then go ahead and do dumb shit and never learn. But if you
Right.
want to be honest with yourself, you got to be honest with yourself. Like trade a paper account like it's your real account. Seriously, I'm telling you the truth. That's what I've done.
I agree with you.
I've gotten
Unfortunately,
a lot better because of it.
It's hard for me to trade the paper account on TradingView the way I would trade prop account on NinjaTrader. Because on NinjaTrader, I got stop loss, the ATM set up, everything. Where on TradingView, you just get like a line.
I don't exactly know what that means, but no, I don't know what that means, but that's okay. I mean, you can explain. I don't understand what you're saying.
I don't know how to explain.
You just get a line.
Can't you? Yeah, I think if I may, I think his line, what he means is a price line.
Right.
Maybe you can set up a ATR on TradingView. Because if I'm right, when you enter your trade on NinjaTrader, everything is already set up. It's enter the trade and the outcome will be the outcome.
Also, most of the time I'm trading paper account on TradingView is on my phone. And that's terrible. I don't know how y'all trade on the phone.
Well, I guess you got to use just one chart.
If you have, I mean, if you have other things like indicators and stuff, it's way hard to trade on the phone because there's too much on the screen. Like,
and then earlier I took a paper trade
screen from a 21.
Yeah. Earlier I took a paper trade on the computer there. It took almost a minute to fill the trade. Like, how do you trade like that?
I used to blow up a lot of accounts on my phone.
Yeah.
but now I trade with Footprint, so I can't even open a trade without looking at it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I used to use Footprint a lot.
You still trade on the phone or no?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
No.
Me?
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 Who are you talking to?
What's wrong with you?
You can get Footprint on your phone.
I'm going short. Going for the 6697 target.
Take my paper trade again.
On ES.
Take my paper trade again.
What'd you say? 697? Oh, on ES. Well, that's not.
Whoa, nice.
6,697. Yeah. This is gonna flush hard, and it's part of the 1130 move.
I think we get stopped by the 5-minute moving average,
which is the London close. Remind you, it's the London close. America's arrogant. They take over the market right at that time, always. You can back test it 1,000,000 times and you'll see it. Not every day, but a lot of times. High probability is all I'm saying.
London
And
closes
that's
on a
all
half hour.
we want.
Hey,
Yeah, I mean, much like
anyone catch that?
ours at 4:30. Yeah.
All right, I'm taking another 100 paper dollars. Turns
They
out I
got
can't
the
hold a paper
30
trade either.
30 minutes after hours, like we do.
Y'all quit laughing at my paper trading.
Okay, so right now, what do we have? Lunch. We have lunch. Lunch. Regroup. Go to higher time frame. Regroup. I think it's still going to drop. It's going to drop hard, I think. Like harder than it's already dropped.
All right, fellas.
Yeah.
I'll be back in a minute.
66.72 from yesterday. But it's too late to enter. It'd be stupid to enter now. We already accomplished everything on the daily on both NASDAQ and ES for daily fair value gap. It filled it perfect. It overfilled it on ES. And probably Trump's talking right now. Who knows? Everyone's going to blame it on that. It's fine.
Well, there is supposed to be some talking today. I posted it before. Let's take a look again. Where is it? Seems over
It's a
here.
bunch of Fed speak, I think.
When is it? Yeah, 12:10, 12:30. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. But they're all medium folder, not really considered red folder. So, you know, banking policy sometimes and.
So we want to get an entry at, oh, it's not going to come back. This is one of those days where it just goes, I think. Yep, it's in the dust.
How's everybody's day been going so far? Everybody millionaires, or we're getting some more ramen noodles?
I'm a billionaire. No, I'm break even, to be quite honest. I'm $13 up.
That's almost the mindset you got to have, though, right? Like, go into it thinking, look, I'm a billionaire, man. How do I?
Does it always work out like that? If you feel like it, then how it plays out, right?
Nothing always works out.
That's true. That's true.
Unless you're that one guy and you win 260 trades in a row.
Yeah, no, for sure.
I mean, all you got to do is win 260 trades and lose 259, and you're good.
Or you lose, or you win 250 and you lose one and your account is wiped.
Exactly.
Here's what you do: you put your take profit 1 point away, and you put your stop loss 1,000 points away.
Exactly. Exactly.
I've tried it. I've tried it in desperation. I've tried it for sure. You got to go through all that. Everyone has to experience it.
Mm.
Yeah, of course. I agree.
You know how many conversations I've had with people with martingale when they think they've discovered the Holy Grail? All I got to do is...
Oh,
no.
Double up.
and yeah,
Double up.
Martingale.
Monthly.
Martingale is 1253. Is that Martingale? 1253.
Well, you can do any way you want. What you're doing there, I know 1, 2, 3, 5. You're talking going up by the Fibonacci sequence. I think that's what they call it. The Fib sequence.
There's
1, 2, 3,
different ways
5,
to do
7. Yeah, you can do, but you can do it so many different ways. Yeah, but either way, any
I
way
think
you do it,
Martingale is. Yeah.
any way you do it, the death trade is always looming.
Mhm.
Martingale started, I think, in the 1600s or whatever, that they started using it on gambling like roulette. You can go black or red, and every time you lose, you double up and you keep on. And then once you win, you're only one chip up.
Yeah, that's it.
So-
You're 1 unit up.
Yep.
That's the the
Only
original
one,
martingale
yeah.
is doubling. Yeah, the original martingale is doubling.
Yeah, then you're only
It's
one
doubling,
up.
but then it's also risk management at the same time.
When I first started
Yeah.
trading, there were so many YouTube gurus that were doing that same strategy. And then when the market got volatile, they all disappeared.
Hmm.
It's
On
just
their
funny to
private,
see.
I wonder why.
they all flew on their private jets to the Bahamas.
It's just funny to see
Yeah.
that same thing coming back around and everybody buying into it again. It's like a few years later, and you got the whole all the rookies again that don't know any better, and they buy into all that shit. But what can you do?
Yeah, exactly.
Getting a good 15-minute break on ES.
Well, I gotta say, if I saw a title that's telling me 250 winning trades in a row, I'm thinking to myself also, I want to get in on that.
Yeah, it's the Holy Grail.
Do I need to start putting that in my title?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
Put 500.
The funny thing is when he started, he said his record was 47 or something, or 49.
Well, I saw him say one day that he can't tell his real record because most of them were taken off the stream. So it's supposedly way higher than it is.
Mm-hmm. I lost interest in that guy when he refused to talk to us, and then he started talking crap about every other YouTuber. And a bunch of those guys were helping him. And he turned around and talked shit about all of them.
He's literally doing exactly what Don Vo did. I know y'all said y'all didn't know who Don Vo was, but it's the exact same thing he's trading.
Then I was watching him one day, and he was like threatening the chat. He's like, I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to do anything till y'all get this many likes and somebody buys a course or something, or a eval or something. Like, dang, you strong arming your own chat? Who the hell wants to be a part of that community?
Yeah, true.
Hey guys, I'm gonna sit here. I'm not even gonna talk to y'all until we get like 20 likes on the stream.
What an asshole.
Like, dude, you're supposed to be building a community, and this is how you're treating your own community? Fuck off, man.
Listen to his fan in the
Alright.
background.
We got a
Yeah,
long
right.
right here.
Then he tried to say like all the other YouTubers were trying to sabotage him, and My this dude's freaking crazy. He's messed up in the head.
Okay, here's the message on this that I'm not sure if you're getting it because I was kicked out of Ninja Trader just now. Your documents folder appears to be synced with OneDrive. This may cause internet issues. We recommend settings document folder to a local directory for optimal performance. So I don't know if you get that. I've been getting this for the past 3 months, and I just said to me, I don't update Ninja Trader ever again because every time I update it, there's some sort of problem.
So that sounds
that-
like instead of having your document folder in your
Sounds like
your
it.
computer file, it sounds like you have it in your OneDrive. Sometimes OneDrive tries to push you to put everything into OneDrive.
Oh, really?
I would check
Okay.
and see. You should be able to go to let me see if I can find it real quick. So you go to your folder. I just did it 20 times, so I know how to do it now. Go to your C drive. Go to user. Go to your profile, and then you should be able to go, what was it, documents, Ninja Trader 8, and then you should see all your stuff there. So if you see it in OneDrive, OneDrive is a cloud drive. So that's what it's telling you.
But I never moved anything. I just woke up the one day and I opened up and it said to me, here's an error. And this is what it is. And I said, no way I'm backing up anything, doing anything, because whenever I do, and I've got some experience with computers, I'm not completely stupid with it. And every time I do something on Ninja Trader, something else doesn't work. Or it just resets everything. I still have my templates, but then I have to start my whole system from the start.
That's what I'm worried about. It's like I got all kinds of strategies, bots, indicators set up. I don't want to lose them again. It's happened before. Put a lot of work into that stuff.
Exactly.
Good reversal here.
Get that. MES. Just thinking.
On the hour. Watch the clock. Watch the clock. I'm not gonna lie. Watch the
You
clock.
think it's gonna? You think you're looking for pullback at 6?
Long.
Or yeah, for pullback long. Or well, not 6. I don't know what time you are. 6 is the close of the hour for me. 5 minutes.
I'm trying to get filled right here. Fucker.
To go long.
Okay. Yeah, I got filled 7/12/50 on ES.
There it goes.
Going for 7/35. I'll move my stop into profit. I'll only make $50, but that's okay.
To the moon.
Yeah.
Ruin, I was telling somebody the other day to use the moon indicator for crypto.
Yeah.
They was laughing at me. I was like, hey, I talk to people that do
well,
it.
you also laughed at me. Everybody laughs at me. But it's okay. It's okay.
I heard about it before. It wasn't my first time hearing about it. Maybe it was Mike that laughed at you.
No.
Yeah.
I made a joke. I didn't laugh at you. There's a big difference.
If you
No,
can see it and
Mike.
do it,
I'm
then
not
do it.
talking about Mike or you. You didn't laugh at me. I mean, like Omnius as well. You guys were like, yeah.
Yeah. Everything is
South African coming from. He's looking at the stars and at the moon.
everything you can make a joke about.
You can have any strategy as long as you have a strategy.
You can make a joke about anything.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
And that's easy. That's an easy target. You have to admit, though, it's an easy target.
Most easy target. That is the most easy target. Yeah.
Oh, stop for 100. It's fine.
Did you guys see this? The dump on Friday, the biggest dump in the crypto history ever.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I looked at
That's
Bitcoin. It
why
was a 115. It didn't do anything. It went down like 7,000.
That's what I thought.
Where's this big dump?
I see all these videos about the world ending. Well, shit,
yeah,
barely
now
moved.
I've heard about the world ending as well. The altcoins. I mean, XRP was what 250, dropped to 114, and this is all in a question of 30 minutes.
No
Oh,
way.
Dump happened.
So I'm looking
I'm
at the
serious.
wrong. I'm looking at the wrong crypto.
Maybe if you look at Bitcoin, the drop. Let me just have a look. Dropped all the way down to
110.
$101,000. Was on Friday, yeah,
That bad?
101,000. Hey,
It was only 13%.
yeah, easily. But I mean, like the altcoins, like your XRP, Ethereum, Solana, all of that. That
Oh, you can buy Bitcoin on
very,
Apex.
very,
Wow.
very big dump. Yeah.
It's only
Yeah.
Bitcoin's only
I just
12% off the high.
I just bought long on Bitcoin on Apex. They let you do that. That's cool.
Yeah, Bitcoin or Solana. Oh, wait, which one is the Solana?
I'm still looking for Bitcoin at 60,000.
No.
I think most
No?
definitely you will get that next year.
I think it'll get there.
Solana went 32,000. I think you will get next year. You might get Bitcoin at 70 and 60,000 with the bear market. I doubt that you'll see it now. I think the worst that can happen now with Bitcoin, how can I say, not the worst, but bad case scenario, 97, 98. I would look for a bounce at psychological level at 100,000.
I think if we get the crash next year, I think 69 is definitely in play.
I agree.
69 or 67?
Yeah, which one?
Hey.
That was funny.
Nobody
Way to throw it
laughed.
back, Mike.
Next year,
Yeah,
definitely.
Bitcoin's a good play right now. Right now, actually.
Yeah,
Long.
for the next 3
Take
months.
Bitcoin long.
Yeah, for the next 3 months, in my opinion, if you go about on the cycles and how it works is we will go into altcoin season now. Bitcoin will start consolidating, and then you're looking at hundreds and hundreds of percents on the altcoins, of course.
Bitcoin
And
does seem to have a
if we lucky,
Bitcoin does seem to have a really good October.
It always has been. August is bad. September is bad. So people start accumulating the second week of September. This week that we had was you have that every time before this thing takes off. So this was the biggest one. I think the liquidations was $19 billion.
Looks like
the market-
October. Looks like October is Bitcoin's best month, followed
One
by
of the best.
February. Yeah, October and February.
Yeah, so if you look back recently, then we are in the bull market of 3 years. So the next year it might be good, but that's the first year of the bear market. Bear market lasts for 1 year. So what's happening now is this is the activation, in my opinion, of the serious up explosion, if you can.
In 2017, Bitcoin went up 1,300%.
Yes. So now what we're going to see is, I think, roughly a minimum from $150,000 to $200,000 for Bitcoin this year. Altcoins, obviously, because they're smaller percentages and what have you. If you take any one of the top 100 altcoins, you at least make 100% on your money till the end of the bull market.
The U.S. government seized $36 billion in Bitcoin.
Wow.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that was the whole thing. Trump tweeted, right?
Who the hell did they
Trump
steal that
doesn't even
from?
know how to buy Bitcoin.
Lambo.
Trump doesn't even know how to buy Bitcoin. It's Barron.
They didn't
his
buy it,
son.
they stole it.
They stole it. They seized it. It's different.
No, it's not. It's the same thing. Look, if you take something that's not yours, you stole it.
It's a seizure. They did a seizure.
Where are
Don't-
you posting it? Because I can hear the messages coming in, but I don't know where to look.
What?
I thought you said look. And I
I
hear
said look.
the Discord going boop boop
Mm.
boop boop
Wasn't,
for messages.
wasn't me.
Is it you posting? I don't know.
No, not me. I'm just reading on TradingView where it says that they seized $36 billion in Bitcoin from a crypto scam. Mike calls it a
Are you on
seizure.
Discord?
Mike calls it a seizure. I call it theft.
Hmm.
Ruana, are you on Discord? I don't see you here.
Did you say something to me?
I am
Ruan.
on
Is the window open?
AVA. Yeah.
No,
Hmm.
to message you. I don't see you. You're not here. You're not my friend. Sorry.
It's okay,
Maybe-
so don't
Why are you-
message me.
Can't hear you?
I might be your friend.
No, there's 6 people in the chat, so chatting.
Why are
You're
you
going
not
up?
my friend?
I
Huh?
don't know. I'm friends
Are you done
with,
for the day?
with Omnius
Oh, here
and
it is. I found you.
yeah, I'm not that hidden.
I found you. Oh, I sent you a friend request already.
Oh, did you? I don't know where to go and look. Okay, wait, new. Oh, there you are. Which
He
one?
might be antisocial like I am.
I am. I just go on Discord when I need to help some people.
Wow.
Oh, here I see. Accept to mutual service. Oh, okay. Yeah, wave to it. Yeah, I used to use Discord a lot years ago when I was gaming. It was so fast, it didn't take any resources. Now it's eating up all my resources on my computer for
Wow.
some
Oh, okay.
reason. It makes everything slow. Discord used to be like nothing. You didn't even feel it. But now if you open up Discord, that's why I'm running it on a different computer.
Hey, Ruin, be honest with me. Is my
I'll
Shiba
try.
Inu ever going to come back?
Yeah, it
Hmm.
will.
I think
Yeah,
it
it
will.
will.
It definitely will one day.
He's a doubtful.
No, it definitely will. It's built on the
Oh, it will?
Ethereum blockchain. It will. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. I'm also well invested in Shiba Inu, and the next one that I think is gonna be the next Shiba Inu is Pepe. Pepe coin that I'm also well invested. You know,
Yeah, I
Shiba
think-
Inu in 3 years did something like 68 million%. So it has dropped down quite a lot. But if you look at Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it's your only meme coins that has ever made it onto all the big exchanges and that. So Shiba Inu, yes, Elon Musk and those lot that is part of it has plans with it. It's, in my opinion, I think it's a bit of a sleeping giant. It's not going to go to zero. There's too much market. There's
I
too
think
much.
I'm just going to hold what I got, and if it
As
goes
long
to the
as it's
moon one
not
day.
50% of everything that you literally have, then I would say no, bro.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah. No. I've been XRP, Army, blah blah blah. And it's because
I never hit it big
pretty
with
much-
crypto, but I didn't lose my head on crypto either.
Yeah.
I think I told
I
y'all-
understand.
I think I told y'all before how they got me with crypto. I was using Webull and had a bunch of crypto
Webull?
with them. Yeah.
What's Webull? Oh.
It's a trading
Doesn't
platform.
Okay. Doesn't the name say it all? But okay, no. Jokes
Well,
aside.
I thought they were pretty decent when they first came out. They were like a Robinhood competitor, but they actually had charts and
Oh,
data
wow.
and other stuff.
Okay.
But whenever they had that big crypto scam years ago, I think they got scared and they sold everybody's crypto out from under them.
The FTX,
So I had a bunch of crypto and they just sold it at like the worst possible price. And I didn't even know because I didn't keep up with it. So I go back to check it and I've only got where I had like 6 or 7 crypto positions. I was down to like 3. And they sold everything at the worst possible price. Then it all went to the moon. I would have made a bunch of
Fucking
money, but they
weeble.
fucked me over.
but
Fucking
didn't you
weeble.
get liquidated? Were you
No.
leveraged? Was it
No.
futures or was it just spot?
No, they quit carrying those symbols. So when they quit carrying them, they liquidated everybody.
Had to sell them.
They also split their
You
app
are
between
long.
stocks and crypto. So now they have just a crypto one
Long.
and long.
Yep,
Is this long dong again?
it is.
Ding-a-ling. Yeah, the thing is now on most crypto exchanges, you can trade stocks as well with your crypto, your USD stablecoin.
Oh yeah.
They're starting because all of this is becoming now regulated and so on. You can actually go on your crypto exchange and trade S&P or the Nasdaq, or you can buy Tesla stock, whatever. Not
I think
futures.
for
Not
me, I'm just
futures.
gonna stick with the Bitcoin. Maybe
Can't go
Ethereum.
wrong.
I got a little bit of Ethereum. I expected more out of that one, but what can you do, right?
Just wait with Ethereum. I think we're gonna see at least 7,000 this year in the next 2 months.
600
With
more.
And then
600 more.
I got Shiba Inu, so I'm just gonna stick with those.
I can't even
I-
get into my wallet with Shiba Inu from a year ago.
Do you have too many? Is it falling out once you try to log in?
Wallet's so
Or wait, 'cause
big.
I know you buy millions, gazillions of when you buy Shiba.
I guess right now might be a good time to buy.
Yeah, but
This is
why
pretty
can't you
good
get
long.
into your wallet?
I got stopped.
He said, "Why can't you get in your wallet?"
I don't know the password.
It's like Omnius with the, nothing personal, but the other day with 2FA codes. If you
Yeah.
had that, no problem. If you had your 2FA code, and I'm
This is
sure
long.
Mike
This
will
is long right here. Go long, go long, go long.
on MES.
Almost, yeah, I've almost passed this account. It was at 48,000, which tells you that I overtraded overnight. And now it's at 52,300.
Wow. But you say go long now. Is it on the 15, you mean?
Yeah, always 15. That's all I trade now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you could have said it was a big hammer candle. You on Nasdaq
Yeah.
or ES?
He's on ES.
Yes.
Yeah, well, ES has a hammer candle also.
And I'm
You
long
like-
Bitcoin because everyone.
Because everyone's freaking out, so you buy it.
Yeah, it took the liquidity at the bottom, took the wicks, or it took the bodies on the 15-minute.
Oh, 15 minutes. I'm on a 10-day chart.
Yeah, for Bitcoin, it's 111,070 was the bottom that it needed to wick to go back up.
Please follow the steps below. I got a response. Please follow steps below. Hit window
Should rip.
key. Wait.
It's a
I think
Wednesday.
with ES, you don't think that we will go at least 50% to that wick that we dropped now before we might consider longing? 50% of that
We got
wick.
25. Well, we got 25% of it. Yeah, we got 25% of it, which is enough of a
Okay.
wick into the 15-minute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm with you.
So it's always a risk, right? But you got to manage your risk.
I understand it 100%. Just what I'm saying is just the idea. I mean, it can completely go
Wait, is
past
it a
as
full moon?
well.
Shit, I didn't even check.
No,
Is it a
bro,
full
not
moon?
yet. I'll tell you. I think next time I'll tell you guys.
Okay,
In-
all right. I'm kind of worried because it's not going in my favor.
if it if it's full moon, then stocks also has to follow because Bitcoin is following the stock market.
Correct.
Interesting, but yeah, it does.
Yeah, Bitcoin has
Yeah.
more to push.
It never used to, but
Another 350 points up to 515 on Bitcoin. But it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. It's an H pattern if you follow pattern trading.
I do trade
It's an H
patterns, but I
pattern.
don't know. I don't know what's a H pattern. Honestly, I only trade technical
We'll
analysis,
just
but I don't know what's a H pattern.
Looks like an H.
well, it looks like
Hmm.
yeah, it looks like an H.
I kind of figured, but
I was just trying to clear things
thanks,
up, clarify.
I know. You look at the 15-minute for Bitcoin, it's a H pattern, which should fail lower, but I'm playing it higher.
okay, on Bitcoin, have a look, yeah. 15 minutes, right?
Okay.
On the 15-minute. I honestly, the thing is, I don't understand it. Where's the H? I can see a hidden shoulders in a way forming that will go and take the liquidity candle out at the bottom before we continue up. But how many candles back on the 15-minute are you talking about? Or can you share a screenshot?
Oh yeah, I might be able to. Let me see.
Yeah, just somewhere on the chat of
Um,
the group then.
I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. Where are we?
I'll
We
teach
in
you.
Omnius? No,
Features
wait.
floor.
Where are we? Oh, we're in
Features floor.
features. Sorry. How do I do this? It's not letting me. Hang on a second. I'm retarded.
I'm also on futures floor. I don't know where's the chat. Why? Wait, no, I'm not. I went to accept. Try this.
Does that work?
Yeah, just in futures floor. On the chat channel. I just heard you. Where are you now? Because I'm jumping around other channels. Live on
I think it
stream.
worked. Does anyone
I'm
see
right
the
here. I'm right here. Where you at?
screen?
Okay. To get in there.
Yeah, I see it. Looks like an H.
Where did he send it? Where must I?
Ruin, you got to click on watch his stream. It's right here in the
Okay.
voice
Which
chat. You see it?
one moment. It's opening up.
He's sharing his screen right here in the voice chat.
Yeah. Just one moment. There we go. I've got it. Yeah. Okay. The H. So where's the H?
You see it?
Hello? No, I don't. I see the screen, but I don't see the H.
It drew it on the screen.
Oh, okay. My bad. Small letter H. I see now in the red line. I'm looking for the capital letter. I see now. But that also a higher time frame will be a double top. So how do you take the take profit and stop loss for that H? How do you
I take it.
you calculate the risk management on that?
Which if wouldn't a H pattern be the bearish pattern?
Yeah, it's definitely bearish, and that's what everyone's hoping for. So I'm going against it.
Okay, so
But
but
I would
with the
assume,
H,
Ruin, I would assume what you're asking is you would take the break of the first leg of the H and then take profit would be from the arch down to the first leg doubled. I would assume that's how the technical way to trade it. Don't quote me on it though.
I hear what you're saying. They're exactly where he drew the wick left from the I'm talking about on the right hand side. Yeah, they were no, not that one where you drew the the bottom of the H where you just did it roughly. No, on the left side. On the left side, there's a long wig.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
do you
that one.
see-
That one.
Yeah, do you see what that did? And that was in the morning session at 9:30.
It
And
just
so
hunt.
what did
Yeah,
it take out? It took out the overnight. So do you
yeah.
really think that it's gonna go lower? I mean, it could. It could. Granted, it
No,
could. I could be
I'm just
completely
asking
wrong.
how does the H pattern work? Because I know the
Well,
basics. Head and shoulders,
the H
bubble top,
pat
and
that
bottom.
yeah, the H pattern is designed to fail like this. It's meant to do this. But what is it gonna go for? Go back in history. It can go for here, equal lows. Right here. This is clean. This is really clean. It can definitely go for that. What is that? 109.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a big move. Oh, it's Bitcoin. Yeah, it's a
But
pretty
it
big
gap
move.
filled. It gap filled right here. That's a gap fill. Solid.
Exactly. And then you've got a
Longer
gap
time frame and shorter time frame is what you want to think about. Longer time frame and shorter time frame.
Yeah. Now
That's all
you've got
that's all I'm doing. I could be wrong, like I said.
yeah, but you also you do have a gap further back. I don't know if you know about it. There is, and I don't think we will ever fill it or we will go back to it. There's at $9,000, which is a few years back. Now, yeah, that gap, and then further back, there's another gap around, I think it's 90 something, around the
Delete
90
this.
area. There's a CME gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, way back. Yeah, then you'll see there's a CME gap around the 90s to 100. There's another one, over there between the 90s and the 100K. And then the lowest one that Bitcoin has never filled is around $9,000, which maybe one day, but I don't think soon. Yeah. Maybe if you put it on the daily, you'll see the one I'm talking about, or 4 hour or something. Yeah. Yeah, go lower, lower.
It's the daily.
Yeah.
That's the
Go
same
back.
same
I'm
circle
talking
on the 15
about.
minute. Yeah.
I'm talking about. Yeah, maybe like a month or two back.
All it has to do is tap into that daily gap, and then it's good to go back up for this gap
I
up here.
I agree.
This
I
is the
agree. I'm
one right
also
here.
waiting for Joker to come into. I owe him an apology.
Oh,
And
Joker.
yeah, and I said I will because he was saying that gap is the imbalance, and I said I've never heard it. But if it's correct, I will apologize. And he was right. It's called the volume imbalance. I went and did his study on it. So I need to give him just for that
Yeah, I mean,
terminology.
yeah, exactly. A gap in price is an imbalance because it's a disagreement in price. That's why there's a gap, because people didn't agree on price and it opened lower or it opened higher, right? So that's a gap and that's a disagreement in price. And that's what
Correct.
sends the market the way it does, right? So
Now they're exactly where you are at the moment, right? The candle, the black one, yeah, that one, and the one before. You see, the second one opened higher than the
delete
one
this
before.
drawing. Let me see if I can delete this one. I don't know what this is. Okay.
You see the top of that last candle, you know, the
Yes.
last black one that's open. You see it opened above the body of the previous candle. What do you call that?
I call that,
Because in
I call that
retrospect, it should open exactly the same as the other body, right?
exactly the same, but I call that price agreement, and it's actually bullish in my opinion because it opened above the close and it filled the gap now. It's way low and it filled this other gap that's way back in September that I circled, right?
That's the one. Yeah. That one.
So on
You're right.
today,
Yeah.
at this moment, what does it really want to do now? It already accomplished everything back 2 weeks ago. It already did it. So do you really think it's going to go lower? I mean, it could, but look what happened here. We wicked
But
below.
yeah, I don't think
You know
it
what I
will.
mean?
But
It already took out liquidity here on September 2nd. And this one got taken by this at September 25th. It took out September 2nd. And this gap just got filled today. And usually when gaps fill, they don't fill fully, especially large
yeah,
gaps. This is kind of a large gap. And you don't see any large gaps anywhere in this chart on a daily, do you? Except for the one I circled up here and this one down here.
no, the one that
So-
I was talking about is that one at the bottom that you were just now, the one in September. That's the one that I was talking about. Like that one is not full or partially full. And the only one in Bitcoin history, otherwise, that's very, very, very in your face is I
Okay.
think just before 2017 at $9,000. That's still wide open.
All right, check this out. Check this out. I'm going to erase all drawings that everyone is horrified by. I'm going to erase all drawings. Okay, let's start over. This is the daily
Yeah.
chart. Let's go to the daily. We go Fibonacci just for 50%. That's all we want is to see if.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to put my magnet back on. Okay. So the close was here. The open was there. And that's what we have, right? On a daily, right?
Yeah.
It's from the close, which is here, and the open. It's across a weekend, so that's not exactly reliable across a weekend, but you can use it.
Yeah,
but it's not-
because Bitcoin actually runs through the weekend, just not on the futures market.
I mean, it's all the same. Bitcoin is the exact same as the futures. It's
Yeah, but
actually Bitcoin runs around the clock versus futures, which does not. So you have gaps, a 1 hour gap on futures where you don't have it on
exactly
Bitcoin.
100%, I agree. 100%
So then
I agree.
go forward. Now I'm on a 1 hour chart.
Yeah.
This is 1 hour. We have our 50%. I don't like this color. We'll put it orange or yeah, orange because it's different than the entries. So you had a tap at 50% and then a breakthrough, but not past it. And look at the bodies. Look at the bodies here. So that circle point, I can find it again. This is how I find it right here. You take the last green candle right here, Check this out. Oh, whoops. I snapped it wrong. Oh, shit. Hang on a second. Sorry. Oh, let me use a
No
rectangle.
problem. No problem.
I'll use a rectangle. The last wick. I like to use the bodies, but you can use wicks.
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at
I
that.
understand all of that. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that right here. Boom, 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 boom. 50%.
Okay, I've got
All
a
these-
question.
All these uncontested sell candles, and you're literally hitting them with the wicks. Like exactly. You can do bodies. Check this out. Let's do bodies instead.
No, but you're.
You know what I mean? It's the same thing. That's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
fair value gap. That's a fair value gap right there. I mean, it's like
That's where I've got a question of. Why did you take the top of that last green candle, and why did you not take the top of the market? Why didn't you take that top?
because you
Why
want the
did
break.
you?
You want the
Okay.
break of the move. So you see how this high, look at this. Where's my brush? You want the break of the high. This right here. Oh, I got it on the magnet. Sorry. Hang on. You want the break of this high right here, which it did right here. And a failure means that this open is very valid.
Of course.
This is what
Okay.
this is where your trade is right there. That's your trade. That's your fucking trade right there. Over and over and over again. It happens. I can't even I've already said too much, I think. But that
He's
is your
like-
trade. That's
He's
your
like, I said
trade.
too much.
Yeah, it's like
I
in a
mean,
textbook. What
You
you
talking about
That's your
reversal
trade.
trade?
It's not a reversal. It's because we were okay, go back to daily. Oh shit.
Okay, but just before you do that, can I interrupt quickly, right? Just
Go ahead.
because
Yeah.
just because you took, okay, you look at the high, we had that massive drop, that black candle, the last one with a bigger wick, right? At the, there you just put it on the body of that one. We had that massive drop. We only went up a little bit there where you drew the the red line at the top. Then we only went down a bit